Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now, you know what? Here in the state of Kentucky, it's time for some serious basketball.
Yes, sir.
And our University of Louisville Cardinals are playing awesome.
They are. It's about time.
And then we got the Kentucky Wildcats. They're pretty darn good too. But you know, Megan, I think we need to play a little game of horse.
Let's
So
do
we're
it.
going to call it wire. Little game of wire. Oh, that was bad.
Oh. Let it rain. Oh, that was with his interference.
The double hinge door sign, you have to do a 360 kind of spin move and down. Oh, she missed.
Oh,
Oh, right here.
I had to redeem myself.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no.
That's R. I'm going to fake it to the service window door, spin at the column, bank it off the holding cage, go across the aerosol storage cage, back to the data center, over the automation cage, nothing but net. You know, that was a tough game.
Sweating.
I think I had I. You had WIRE. I'm sorry. That's all we got this week. But you know what? March Madness is coming up. It's going to be exciting. See you on another episode of Mondays with Milt.